Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to analyze sales reports in Shopee. Whether you're new to selling or an experienced entrepreneur, understanding your data is vital for improving your business strategy. For this demo, I'm using a fresh account with no sales data yet, but I'll walk you through the steps so you're ready when your sales starts rolling in. To start, open your browser and log in to the Shopee Seller Center. Once logged in, you'll find all the tools and insights you need to manage your store. From the dashboard, head to the menu on the left and select Business Insights. This section provides a wealth of information to help you track your store's performance. Inside the Overview tab, you'll find key metrics such as sales, orders, conversion rate, and visitors. These stats help you monitor your store's performance at a glance. Although there's no data here right now, the trend graph below will display your sales activity over time once your store starts generating orders. Next, let's move to the Sales tab here. Here, the Sales Overview section, it displays metrics like visitors, buyers, and conversion rates. Below, the Metric Trend section gives you detailed graphs to track metrics like sales and orders over time. Use these insights to spot trends and identify your best performing periods. You can always refine the data that you see here using the filter at the top of the page by clicking on this button. So you can choose a specific date range or view real-time data. So that's according to your preference and the type of analysis that you would like to do. Now, if you want to analyze your data offline or share it with your team, you can export reports by clicking the Export Data button here, and this will download your sales insights in a CSV file format. And there you have it. This is just a basic overview of how we can see the sales reports in Shopee. Now, even though this account doesn't have sales data yet, you know how to access and navigate Shopee's business insights. Once you start making sales, these tools will provide valuable insights to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.